Ready? Start. This brings us to the second question, namely whether the appeal by the respondent number 1 was maintainable before the tribunal, the tribunal was set up by the state government under section 96 of the Act for the purposes of adjudicating appeals preferred under the Act. Stop. Section 94, which is the provision relating to appeals, allows any teacher or other employee of a private educational institution who has been dismissed, removed or reduced in rank to prefer an appeal to the tribunal within 3 months from the date of the communication of such order. Stop. There is no argument that the appeal of the appellant was barred by limitation. Stop. The question then is, did the impugned order of the appellant amount to a dismissal or removal within the meaning of section 94 ? The impugned order was, as held earlier, not one under or in accordance with the scheme. Stop. The appellant lost sight of the fact that Rule 50 (5) was part of a scheme, the express object of which was to benefit the employee and not the employer. Stop. The element of voluntariness attaching to the cessor of the respondent number 1's services when the impugned order was passed was entirely lacking. Stop. The result of the impugned order was an immediate cessation of the respondent number 1's services as principal of the appellant's college dehors the scheme. Stop. We have therefore no hesitation in holding that the impugned order amounted to a removal within the meaning of section 94 of the Act, and the respondent number 1's appeal was, therefore, maintainable. Stop para. Ordinarily, having reached this conclusion, we would have merely dismissed the appeal, but having regard to the submissions made by counsel on either sides, we feel that it would be more appropriate to mould the relief granted by the High Court to the respondents. Stop. The respondent himself had decided to retire for compelling personal reasons. Stop. In fact, he had been no longer leave prior to the second notice asking or permission to voluntarily retire. Stop. He had agreed to continue for the time being at the instance of the others in the interest of the institution. Stop. The appellant has in the meantime replaced the respondent with another principal who has been service for this last 7 years, apparently to the satisfaction of the appellant and without any complaint. Stop. It is also not the respondent's case that the present incumbent incompetent or has not discharged his duties during this period with dedication and commitment. Stop. On the other hand, the replacement of the present incumbent by the respondent may, given the history of this legislation, create an atmosphere of discord and confrontation, which would not benefit the institution at all. It would, in the circumstances, be in the interest of all the photogenicists of allow the present incumbent to continue while presentation the respondent for the incorrect action taken by the appellant against him. Stop para. We accordingly dismiss the appeal with the direction that the respondent will not be reinstated in the service but be reiterated to have retired from service as indicated in the order impugned before the tribunal, and the appellant shall pay to the respondent a sum equivalent to 3 years' salary as last drawn by the respondent as principal of the college by way of compensation stop. Such payment shall be made within 8 weeks from today stop. The appellant will also pay the respondent the costs of this appeal accessed at rupees 5,000 full stop.